Hi, my name is Tamara Lipsey, and I'm an aquatic biologist with the Michigan Department of Environment, Great Lakes, and Energy. Today, we are going to demonstrate how to take a chlorophyll sample in lakes using the MyCore Cooperative Lakes Monitoring Program protocol. Chlorophyll is used as an indicator of the amount of algae in a lake. Be prepared to collect chlorophyll once a month from mid-May through mid-September. Before heading out on the lake, make sure you assemble the necessary equipment and fill out your data sheet and the back of the data sheet with the map of the lake. You will need your Secchi disc, your data sheets and a pen or pencil, a cooler with an ice pack, and your safety equipment, as well as an anchor in case it's windy. You will also need your composite sampler and associated parts, and 2 rectangular bottles, and the magnesium carbonate preservative, all provided by the MyCore Cooperative Lakes Monitoring Program.
When your supplies are ready, proceed to your monitoring location, which should be the deepest part of the lake. If you need to anchor, make sure you drop your anchor upwind of the deepest point. This will ensure you do not collect any sediments that might be suspended from the anchor. Once over the deepest location, take a Secchi disc depth. The Secchi depth procedure is shown in a separate video. Once you have a Secchi depth, multiply that depth times 2 and record that number on your data sheet. This is the composite sample depth. Disassemble the sampler, rinse the bottle with lake water, and reassemble the sampler. Clip a clothespin on the measured line at your calculated composite sample depth. Place all of the line into the lake so it does not get tangled. Release the sampler into the lake, allowing it to free fall until the clothespin is at the water surface. Immediately start to pull the sampler up at a slow, steady rate. You should be able to see bubbles the entire time. Upon retrieval, check to see if the sampler bottle is more than half full, but not completely full. If it does not meet these criteria, empty the bottle and resample. Gently mix the sample bottle and rinse both of the rectangular brown bottles with a small amount of sample. Gently mix the sampler bottle again and fill both of the rectangular brown bottles only to the bottom of the neck of the bottle. Vigorously shake the magnesium carbonate bottle. Add 5 drops of the magnesium carbonate solution to each rectangular brown bottle. Replace the caps firmly and gently shake the bottles to mix. Store the bottles in the dark cooler with frozen ice pack and return to shore. Once you return to shore, you will need to filter and freeze the water samples immediately. For information on sample filtering, storage, and delivery, see our chlorophyll processing video.
To learn more about the MyCorps Cooperative Lakes Monitoring Program, visit us at mycorps.net.